is up, guys? Gaming Adjectives here, and we're at my house, and as you see here, I got this Dover elevator panel from one of my friends, because at her building where she works at, her panels were going to be modernized. So yeah, it's a Dover elevator. I picked it off from the back. And yeah, I'm going to be showing you my elevator panel in this video today. So yeah, just give me 1 second, please, while I put this camera down. And I will get this panel up to the couch. Now I have it on. So yeah, this is my elevator panel. Because here's the key scanner right here. So let's start from the top. So as you see here, it says Dover. So here's the emergency key. It is off. And elevator 14. And Oxford managed with pride. 310.max. 310.max.com. Please contact 310.max for all your service needs. Okay. And there is the fire recall thing. Let me read it. Fire emergency recall. I can't see it, but you need a flashlight to see that. So here are all the buttons. There are 18 floors in total because there is no 13 and there's no 2. So ding, 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 ding. So yeah, here's the 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, and G. And door open, door close, bell, stop button, scanner. So yeah, this is it for the front, and now I will show you the back. So now I just gotta flip it over. Just carefully. Okay, and by the way, the buttons were red as well when they flashed. So yeah, this is the back of the panel. So right here is one of the power systems that powers the elevator panel. This is the alarm. This is the stop button. This is door open. This is door close. This is G, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Here's the fire emergency recall, as I showed you earlier in the video. Here are your nuts, and there are 6 in total. And here are all the wires, as you see here, because one of my other friends has wired up this elevator panel, but he couldn't do it properly because, well, he could, but you couldn't really see the buttons, so that's why they got modernized at that building, wherever it was. That's why one of my friends gave me this panel. And yeah. So yeah, if you liked this video, please like, comment, and subscribe for more. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.